Hey, what up? Here with your boy Efra. Right now, obviously, you can see I'm right here at work. I haven't showed you guys a little update on the truck. Last time I showed you, I didn't have a bed and all that, and I finally have a bed on the truck. I got it like 3 days ago. It's looking more like a truck now. I put my toolbox yesterday. I picked it up from the storage. I put the toolbox, and it's starting to feel more like a truck again. Yeah, man, I'm super excited. The only thing about the bed is it's a little fucked up, but nothing that can't be fixed. And I got it for real cheap, so I mean, whatever works, right? And so, and you know what's crazy? What's crazy is the color of the bed. It's a red bed. That's crazy, you know. And so, yeah, I don't know. It looks cool. I like it. It's red and all that. But obviously, the whole truck's gonna get painted. But I just wanted to give you a little update on that. I'm gonna show you guys a montage on the truck. I really like it. The only thing is those the fucked up parts on the bed. It needs a lot of fixing, but yeah, everything's gonna get fixed. Nothing that can't get fixed. And I had to come back inside the truck because it's windy outside, and I know it's gonna sound all crazy on the audio. So I came back inside the truck. And let me know what you think. Comment below, and then let me know. Obviously, a lot of you guys are probably gonna think it's trash or shit like that, but I mean, everything can get fixed. Yeah, it was tough for me to find a bed. I couldn't find one, and I seen a bunch of them, but they were like far away, or they wanted like a big amount of money. And so I'm really happy with it, and the truck's feeling better now. Like I said before, it's feeling good, and I'm excited. Hell yeah. Putting this on, it's like I said, it's windy. And so, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys right now what I'm doing right now. And you can see behind me, I'm working at Tilt-Up right here in the IE. Yeah, it's super windy. It's the next day now. It's a Saturday. I just woke up with a reminder that I need to bolt on the toolbox. Yesterday I took the truck like for a wash. It looks decent, the truck. I shined up the tires and stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys right now how it looks. Yeah, you can see the bed's all like fucked up. Yeah, I'm gonna be bolting on the toolbox right here. And yeah, we're gonna get that. And I gotta take these things out. They're like stuck everywhere. Right here. Yeah, they left all of them. Why they left them up. And then look at the tailgate too. Look how fucked up it is. That's crazy. I'm gonna be getting a new tailgate though, so I don't care about that. Before I forget, don't forget to comment below, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and hit the like button, please. And thanks so much for supporting. See you on the next one, right?